Okay, so I got this. This is the CamDuck, and it is a little power port camera thing. So this is what it looks like here. So we're gonna try this thing out. So I don't know. Are there instructions somewhere? Yeah. Okay, so underneath it looks like there's some instructions and stuff. We have a little guitar pick looking thing. I guess that's going to be to open up this top section here to connect. Maybe that's where the SD card goes, but here's the SD card reader it comes with. It's one of those kinds where you stick the SD card into there and then stick it in there, so that's kind of cool. And then that's that. And so this is it here. So let's try to set this thing up and see what happens. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it here. I have an extension cord connected up here. It's kind of weird because you usually want to plug this into the wall, but we're just going to try this here. Oh, I don't think it's going to make it because it's got the stick. And oh, here, we can do it here. Are we on? I think we're in. What do you think? It's plugged in enough, maybe? Enough to test it? Oh, yeah, it is, because I can see there's little lights flashing and stuff, so I'm guessing that's ready to set up. So let's see if we can set this thing up and figure it out. So let's see what we got to do here. Let's scan this QR code and go from there to download the app. So we're going to scan. Oops, I don't want to be in the App Store. I want to be in camera. I don't know where camera is on my iPad. Okay, so I got an iPad, so I'm going to scan this. I don't think I can really show you on the screen, but it's going to bring me to the website here. And it says download iPhone. So we'll go to the App Store. Install from App Store. And it's called CIXICM. Okay, so we're going to start this. And we'll see what happens. So we'll push this. Remote monitoring me close to it. I'm going to try to figure out how to set this thing up, and then I'll show you guys in a second. Okay, I was successful. So what I did was I connected on this app here, or back here, and I went to setting, and then network configuration, and I was able to set up my network onto this one here. I don't want to show you guys it just because I think Amazon and the other places will take down my video. But you can see here, this is what it looks like here. So we have the video going. It's weird because the camera was up there. This is what it would look like facing me. So you can see it works. I mean, this is on the 4 meg mode, I guess. So it's on the high res mode. So that's why it's probably a little slow on the uptake. Let me try to lean this up somewhere. This is what it looks like here. You see, it just looks like a ports. So it's kind of, I wonder if the ports still work too, if it really is actual ports. Let me try to charge my phone and see what happens, or my iPad. Yeah, it does. So it's real. So, but this is what it looks like here. You can see a big picture of my thing. What happens when I choose 1080p? What it's going to do, which should probably be sufficient for most stuff. Is it going to be a faster connection? It's actually pretty good. It doesn't look quite as good, you can see. So that's what it looks like at 1080 versus the 4 megapixel one. If we can click that again, looks a little better. So there we go. Yeah, much clearer. So, and I guess if you put in the SD cards and stuff, you can actually start recording things and doing other stuff. If I take a photo, it says photo success. Resize. Oh, R-E-C-I-N-G. I guess that means recording. Ricing. And maximize. There it is, maximized size. What if I go this way? Oh, haha, it does that. I guess that's about as big as the screen you're going to get. But for the most part, you know, shining it in my room here. Let's see if we go that way. You can kind of see the staircase and stuff. You can see plenty. So if you really wanted to spy on somebody, I guess this would work. So I'm not into spying with anybody, so I'll probably just stick it in my office as a security camera, maybe, or something. But kind of cool. So I like it. It wasn't too hard to set up. Just had to make sure I got it on the network, and then once it's on the network, then so I had to connect to its network, then reconfigure it, and then connect back to my old network. So it seems good. So I'm going to unplug my little device here. I'll show you guys it here. So this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. It's got this little stub here, I guess, so you make sure you only put it in a real outlet. So my putting in an extension cord was probably just messing up everything about it. But it's cool. And it's got the little ports here for USB and a USB-C one too. So it seems like it does everything it needs. Actually, I needed a USB-C adapter at my office, so this will work good for me. So sounds good, looks good. CamDuck, thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.